Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening Lumii and granting storage and camera permissions so the app can read and save full-resolution files. Next, import your photo from camera roll or files. Choose the highest resolution to preserve detail. Once imported, set the aspect ratio, 4:3 for prints, 16:9 for web, and toggle the grid to help align horizons and subjects. This early setup speeds every later edit and prevents quality loss when you crop or export. Now you refine tones and details. Start with Auto Enhance to get a balanced baseline, then manually adjust exposure, contrast, highlights, and shadows to control mood. Once the global tone feels right, use selective tools like brush or radial to brighten faces or darken backgrounds. This targets fixes without overprocessing everything. After local work, apply sharpen and noise reduction sparingly, and tweak clarity to bring texture back. Make sure to preview at 100% to avoid oversharpening or noise artifacts. Finish by adding creative effects. Apply a filter or LUT, then lower opacity so the effect complements rather than overwhelms. Next, export your image. Choose JPEG for web or PNG for transparency, and set quality to 90% or original to retain detail. If colors shift or something looks off, don't panic. Reset the specific tool or open history to step back one or more edits. This lets you correct mistakes quickly without losing the rest of your work, keeping your final image polished.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.